This is a classified encrypted audio file protected under Title 18, Section 798 of the United States Code, Disclosure of Classified Information. The urgent message from the behalf of U.S. military soldier Matthew.
Mr. President, I'm on behalf of the U.S. military soldier Matthew. We believe that Ohio Democratic Empire is going to cause an earthquake to shake and damage two countries. The following countries are former Malaysia and former Chile. The Skibidi toilets have tortured people in former Estonia and turned into one of them. 500,000 Chinese residents have escaped from fallen China to former Australia and the former U.S. mainland. Former Greenland has found Ohio's weakness. The Ohio's weakness is, everyone leaves Ohio and becomes a wasteland. Former Mexico and former Saudi Arabia are going to be a provisional governments. The Ohio Democratic Empire is going to build the super bioweapon. The name of this super bioweapon is unknown at this time. The U.S. military armed forces are going to identify the super bioweapon that came from Ohio, due to the fact that the super bioweapon could be hostily dangerous. But there's a different news for you, Mr. President. I think the status of the Vice President is unknown. There has been no sign from the Vice President. We believe that the Vice President has been kidnapped by the Ohio reinforcements last night. And thus, they have taken the Vice President to the Ohio headquarters. There's also 300 hostages had believed to be kidnapped by Ohio reinforcements and transported to the Ohio headquarters, as mentioned before. We will try to do our best to rescue 300 hostages and the Vice President. End of the message.
هذه حالة طوارئ وطنية من الحكومة السعودية المؤقتة. نهض بلدنا مرة أخرى ونأمل ألا نقع في إمبراطورية أوهايو الديمقراطية مرة أخرى. قبلت الإمبريالية الموالية للحكومة التابعة للأمم المتحدة الاقتراح الذي تم تمريره. إنهم الآن بصدد استخدام الأسلحة النووية لتدمير أوهايو ويصبح أرضا قاحلة. في أخبار أخرى، تم اختطاف بعض رؤوس الكاميرات ورؤوس السماعات بواسطة مراحيض العنكبوت سكيبيدي. إذا رأيت أحد رؤوس الكاميرا أو السماعات يتعرض للاختطاف، فما عليك سوى الهروب على الفور، حيث يؤدي عدم القيام بذلك إلى الموت. لم يكن هناك عنف جماعي في المملكة العربية السعودية السابقة حتى الآن، يرجى العلم بمراحيض سكيبيدي. يرجى المتابعة على النحو التالي: 1. أحصل على سلاح في متناول اليد لحماية نفسك. محاولة إيذاء نفسك محظورة. 2. ابقى عينيك وأذنيك مفتوحتين واسمع كل شيء. 3. لمعرفة ما إذا كان شخص ما يتحول إلى واحد منهم، قم بإنهائها على الفور. سيؤدي عدم القيام بذلك إلى الموت الفوري. 4. لا داعي للذعر. سيجعل الذعر الوضع أسوأ. ترقبوا المزيد من المعلومات من الحكومة السعودية المؤقتة.
This is a nationwide emergency from the Saudi Arabia Provisional Government. Our country has risen again, and we hope we don't fall into the Ohio Democratic Empire again. The Imperial United Nations Pro-Government accepted the proposal, which has passed. They are now going to use nuclear weapons to destroy Ohio and become a wasteland. In other news, some other camera heads and speaker heads have been hijacked by the spider Skibidi toilets. If you see one of the camera heads or speaker heads that it's being hijacked, just run away immediately. Failing to do so causes death. There has been no mass violence in former Saudi Arabia yet. Please be aware of Skibidi toilets. Please proceed as follows. 1. Grab a weapon on hand to protect yourself. Attempting to hurt yourself is prohibited. 2. Keep your eyes and ears open and hear everything. 3. To know if someone is turning into one of them. Terminate them immediately. Failing to do so will cause immediate death. 4. Do not panic. Panicking will make the entire situation worse. Stay tuned for more information from the Saudi Arabia Provisional Government.